welcome to my channel. I am so grateful to have you here. Today we are making a very yummy dessert. Everything that I will be using in this recipe: butter, green apple, peach and banana, Reese's Buttercups, apple pie spice and ground cinnamon, crescent rolls. Okay, let's start by prepping the fruit. Now that our fruit is thickly sliced, we're going to add some butter to a hot pan. Now once your butter has melted and your pan is warmed up, you're going to want to place your fruit. We're not going to be warming up the bananas. I'll show you later what we do with them. Now I'm going to add my apple pie spice. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon. The apple pie spice already has cinnamon. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Not too much. You don't want it to be too spicy. If you want it to be sweeter, you can always add sugar. I personally don't want it to be too sweet. The fruit's already sweet itself. Now we're going to just flip it over. You just want them to get softened. It smells so good in here. Now we're going to take the peaches off. Let's check if the apples are ready. If the fork goes in smoothly and easily, it should be ready. Now you want to have a pan, and I'm using parchment paper for us to put our rolls on. Now you want to get your crescent rolls and open it up. Preheat your oven to 350 and start separating your crescent dough. Now that we have a piece of dough ready, we're going to wrap our apple. So I'm going to put it on the big side first. And then I'm going to wrap it just like that. Cutting the banana ones to be a little bit smaller. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. Now I'm cutting the chocolate. I'm cutting it into pieces. I'm gonna enclose this one because it has the chocolate. I'm gonna enclose the banana in there. Now that our oven is hot and ready, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 12 minutes. We're just gonna let them cool for a moment. They're finally ready. I'm so excited to try these. They look so delicious. And I can't wait for you to try them too. I'm gonna try the green apple one first. This is good, like really good. Okay, let's try a peach one next. Oh, right here. These are so good. Okay, now let's try the banana and the Reese's. They're all so good. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you my favorite. Honestly, they're all my favorite. I don't have one that's more than the other. They're all good in their own unique way. These are perfect for any occasion. Everyone will be super impressed and super happy that you brought them. They're gonna love them and you're gonna love them because these are amazing. So